Hi everyone. So today we are going to speak about simple interest. You know that this is our third problem on simple interest. Before this I have covered two problems in previous tutorials. So today is our topic on simple interest. So let's begin. So first I have written here hash include standard input output header file, and after that white main angular bracket, and this is the main brace. And after that here we are going to use float as a data type. In our earlier videos I think you have noticed one thing, we used to integer, but in these problems, because in a simple interest what happens, we may get the answer in a decimal point. So that's why we are using here float as a data type. So you have to remember, you have to analyze the problems, how many variables we have to use in a simple interest. So first of all, as I said that you have to aware of simple interest formula. As you can see here, there are the three variables we have to use: PTR and simple interest. Okay, so let's begin. First P comma T comma R, again comma, then yes I, simple interest, semicolon, then after that enters, clear screen, then semicolon, then again press enter. Then we will write here print f command. As you know that it is used to display the message on the screen in double quotations. Then write the input, enter the value of p t r slash under double quotations and bracket complete, semicolon. Then after that we have to use one more statement, that is a scanf, because it reads the variable. Scanf bracket double quotations we need to use. And now remembers, in earlier videos, when we use integers we used to the format was %d, but here the data type we have used float, but here we will use %f, because in this problem the data type is changed. So %f I will use here. So then %f, because three variables we are going to use, so we have to use 3 %f, 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 and comma again, and again ampersand p comma ampersand t comma ampersand r. Then after that close the bracket, put the semicolon at the end of the statement, and now you have to type the formula, that is simple interest equal to, in bracket you can write, otherwise without bracket you can write the formula. For examples, p into r bracket complete divided by 100, semicolon, don't forget to put it at last. Then after that again printf, then double quotations. So remember, after calculating the value it stores in simple interest. So here double quotations si equal to %f, because si we have to define what type of data type is. So simple interest equal to %f double quotations comma and si, bracket complete put semicolon, then enter. Then after that use get ch, enters, and last closing brace. So here we have written the programs, and we have to run it in the C program. So if you have any doubt here, you can write the comment, or you can message me on the WhatsApp to clear your doubts. So let's execute this program in the C. So let's go to open the C program. So dear students, I have entered the all data in the C programs, and I have written here C program. So by executing it, we will see the output. So to execute this program, press Ctrl F9. So here the program successfully run. Now, so I will take the first principal, that is a 10th. Then after that T time 2 months I will take here, and again rate of interest, that is R stands rate of interest, I will take 5%. Then press enter to find the interest. For press enter, so you will get the interest as per 5% for 2 months is a 1000. So this is our answer. So thank you for watching the video.